Have you ever pondered upon the deep-rooted bond between God and Israel? This is no ordinary bond. It's a divine relationship woven with threads of faith, loyalty, and an enduring promise. The spiritual significance that Israel holds is immense. It's a land that has been touched by the hand of God, a land that's been the stage for miracles and divine interventions. Throughout their journey, from the earliest days to the presence of God has been a constant for the people of Israel. In times of joy and in times of sorrow, in moments of triumph and in moments of despair, God has been their guiding star, their source of strength. This profound bond is not just about a people and their God, it's about the unwavering commitment of the divine towards his chosen ones. Now let us dive into the historical chronicles of this divine bond. The journey commences with Israel's deliverance from the chains of bondage in Egypt. Imagine a nation, shackled in servitude, crying out for freedom. In their darkest hour, a beacon of hope emerges, Moses, chosen by God to lead his people to liberation. Through Moses, God's mighty hand was revealed, performing miracles that shook the very foundations of the Pharaoh's heart. Yet this exodus wasn't merely an escape from physical bondage, it was a transformative journey, a crucible in which a nation was forged. As they crossed the Red Sea, they were not just leaving behind their chains, but embarking on a path to a deeper relationship with God. His intervention, his guidance, his protection during this pivotal time was an enduring testament to his unwavering commitment to his people. This was but the beginning of a journey filled with divine interventions, a journey that would continue to shape and define the unique bond between God and his chosen people, Israel. From the trials of the wilderness to the joy of reaching the promised land, God was with Israel every step of the way. As they wandered in the wilderness after their exodus from Egypt, Israel experienced hardship and uncertainty. Yet, it was in these moments of desolation where God's presence was most palpable. At Mount Sinai, he made a covenant with them, a bond as unyielding as the mountain itself. This covenant, etched in stone and spirit, affirmed God's unwavering commitment to his chosen people. Their journey didn't end there. The wilderness gave way to the promised land, a testament to God's faithfulness. This land of milk and honey was more than a physical destination. It was a symbol of the divine promise fulfilled, a beacon of hope for future generations. The settlement in the promised land marked a pivotal point in Israel's story, further strengthening their bond with God. Through every trial and triumph, God's loyal love for Israel remained unwavering. God's promises to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob were not just words but covenants that shaped Israel's destiny. These divine promises were not mere whispers in the wind, but formed the cornerstone of a relationship that has spanned centuries. To Abraham, God pledged a multitude of descendants, a promise fulfilled through the birth of Isaac and the subsequent generations. To Isaac, the promise was carried forward, a lineage as vast as the stars in the sky. Jacob too was blessed with the same commitment, his descendants destined to form the 12 tribes of Israel. These promises were not just about the multiplication of people, but also about the land, a place flowing with milk and honey, a haven for God's chosen ones. Throughout history we see these promises come to life, shaping the narrative of Israel. They underscore the unyielding bond between God and his chosen people, a testament to his unwavering commitment. God's promises were not just prophetic, they were a testament to his enduring love for his chosen people. The bond between God and Israel is not just a historical narrative, it is a timeless testament to divine love and faithfulness. The journey of the Israelites, from their deliverance from Egyptian bondage to their wanderings in the wilderness, and their ultimate settlement in the Promised Land, is a vivid testament to God's enduring presence. Throughout their history, God's compassion, grace, and steadfast love have guided their course, even amidst trials and tribulations. The divine promises made to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob and their successive fulfillment underscore God's unwavering commitment to his chosen people. These biblical accounts, laden with profound spiritual insights, offer valuable lessons to us all. They depict a God who is both one and three, whose attributes are personified in the Hebrew Scriptures, and whose Spirit continues to guide his people. As we conclude this journey, we are left with an indelible impression of God's unwavering bond with Israel, a bond that transcends time and continues to inspire us all.